Hi kids! Welcome to Playdates with Teacher Ellis. In observation of the Lenten season, let's talk about the story of Easter. The story of Easter began on Palm Sunday. This is when Jesus rode into the city of Jerusalem on a donkey, and the people waved palm branches and shouted, "Hosanna!" That means save us, because the people saw him as a king. Then, Jesus shared a special meal with his friends and told them that he would soon be leaving, but that he would come back to life. But later that night, Jesus was betrayed by one of his friends in exchange for some pieces of silver. And some people who didn't like Jesus and wanted him to be arrested took him to be judged. Jesus was unfairly punished and nailed to a cross, where he died for everyone's sins. Jesus' body was put in a tomb, but 3 days later, the tomb was empty, and in place of Jesus, there was an angel, and the angel told everyone that Jesus was alive. Jesus appeared to his disciples and showed them that he was alive, proving that even death cannot stop God's love. Christians celebrate Easter Sunday to remember that Jesus came back to life, giving hope to everyone. I hope you enjoyed the story of Easter. See you again next time. Bye!